Hello there, everybody. New day, new story to tell. I'm here now in my window. The sun is so high, it's around 10 o'clock in the morning. So I just woke up and I just manifested something. And as I watch a TikTok video that is so viral, in a social media that is about depression, this word is really, it's very one word, but there's a lot of safety things you need to do in yourself. I have lots of friends that is having of this one before. And as I remember way back 2019, sorry, 2019, way back when I was in Oman, I won as an ambassador there. And sometimes there is a community, Filipino community that is invited me to be a speaker there. And I was always entitled to be like, to uplift those all OFWs that is really needs help because some of them they are telling me that they feel the depression, they feel the anxiety, they feel the homesick and everything. Not only for those who are OFWs, but there is lots of people around me that they have this depression and anxiety. And I was telling them to only you yourself by your strong faith in God, that is the only one can help you. So all you need to do is to talk to somebody, go out, don't be always on your room. If there is a chance to have this kind of community, Filipino community, or even your family to talk to, you need to open up with them what you can feel deep inside in your heart, in your mind. This is a good thing for you to um, let go the things that you are keeping inside. I was also one of this person, but I don't have this kind of that is, it's like very deep of depression and anxiety. As we all notice that there is lots of comments about this, what happened to the famous celebrity in the Philippines that is already dead. And just this week, or I think last week, it happened, October 22, she died. And she's famous as well. As I stalked her account, I saw that she is so very positive, jolly, funny, but we don't know that deep inside of her there is a darkness. So this is the very important for all of us people around the world that we need to come out. We need to go out. We need to speak. We need to talk to someone always and always pray to God. Always surrender your thought, your darkness, your problem into God. He is listening. Always ask the guidance and everything. Seek help for other people, especially number one in your family. If you have a closest friend, go to them, talk to them, get out of your thoughts, whatever. There is darkness in your side because once in my life, I have also that kind of problem, but I used to get out. I used to pray. I used to talk to somebody, especially my sister. This is the good thing. Because if you will not talk to somebody and always keeping in your heart, and one day you will realize you want to end your life. It's not good to be like this, to be always alone because you consume the negativity in your body and your soul, in your mind. So it's really bad if you're always alone in your darkness time. So you need to go out. There's lots of people also that advise them that you need to have more therapy. Therapy is not only having medication or therapy with a doctor. You have also can have any therapies like walking, jogging, go to gym, go to the beach, talk to people around you. This is the best way of kind of therapy you need. So this is very important for you to make your mind knows this kind of things you need to do if you have the feeling of darkness inside you and you feel alone. So I'm very thankful also before that I have one of my sister to talk to, because I am that person that if I can keep, I will keep. But once it you are very in the dark room, you are like you want to explode. You want to cry so much. You want to shout out loud, but you can't. And there is like negativity. You can think that you don't know who, when it comes, who told you these words to makes there is something. But I am a strong person and I know that. So for all those people that is in the darkness right now, you need to pray very hard and always talk to God and go out. Don't be always in your room because you feel the darkness all the time. So like this, you need to see the surroundings, the environment that God made this all for us. You need to be strong, and you yourself is the best thing that can help you. So yeah, that's it for today. God bless everyone. Bye.